How you doing today, man?
I'm doing very well, sir. Thank you.
Now we're doing the world famous tacos. Where you get that name from?
It stems back from 60 years when uh, Oscar Chris started this business in Los Angeles, California, in South Central Los Angeles. We did smash burgers, all kind of things, and we also did hood tacos. So what we did, we just decided to specialize with the tacos right now, which these are tacos with a soulful twist. We put our own flavor, our own recipe. We use beef, and we also have a turkey option for those that are health conscious. We do vegetarian tacos, vegetarian burritos, and we just nachos, taco salads, taco burgers, anything to do with tacos, we do it, man. And we do a fried taco, so it's a grilled fried taco, not a deep fried taco. So we fry them up on the grill to order. If you like them soft shelled, if you like them hard shelled, or however you like them, we do them that way, and people seem to receive them very well.
You yourself, what made you want to get into the food business?
Everybody got to eat, and I eat it at home, so I figured I'd share it with everybody else. You know, we enjoy what we do. We enjoy making these tacos. It's all family-run business. My wife is in there, and my cousin. That's my cousin's wife at the window right now, and my kids are involved in this as well. All of my children. So we all do this. We do events. We do the brick and mortar. You know, we just do it all. We have steam tables out here for our beans and our rice. Over here. Take a look inside here. You can see how clean we are. The floor is clean, sparkling. Sinks are clean.
A box or you need a boat? You got the boat. You need a box.
That's my brother Pearl and his wife, and that's my wife right there fixing tacos.
Right, brother. Right. Good to see you.
And that's our daughter.
Oh, here's Lane.
Hi.
And we just like what we do. It's a passion of ours.
So, most people do bread, chicken, fish. What made you go to taco restaurant?
Because tacos, it's a comfort food. It's fast. When people, like you come out here, the price points out here are pretty expensive. Our price points here are very affordable, and we try to keep it that way for everybody. I have people come through here and they'll circle around, they'll bring their family back. They got kids, they can afford to feed their whole family coming in here, rather than going and buying one plate for $20 or whatever the case is, you see. So, and everybody likes it.
Right now, you say you got a couple of stores. Where they located?
We have a brick and mortar in California. We run a catering business out of Dallas, Texas, and we are running out of our catering business out of Savannah, Pooler, Georgia.
You got food trucks. How many food trucks you got?
We got 2 food trucks, and then we have portable setups that we do as well. As you can see, the tent we got here. So we got multiple tents where we can actually go out to different locations. We can actually set up on locations, or we could drive up, bring a trailer, and we do a lot of different events. We've even done weddings. So I know that sounds kind of far-fetched, but we've had people hire us to do weddings, and we'll get a whole catering crew involved with the aprons and all dressed up, and we'll cater the event with tacos and burritos and hors d'oeuvres, quesadillas, and all that stuff.
When you first started out, let us know any of the struggles you had going quick.
Well, I mean, the food business is always going to be a struggle, but once you get it down packed and you get the flow with the type of recipe that you're going to use, the type of foods that you're going to serve to the people, it becomes easy. It becomes a flow. The main thing is just keeping your equipment clean, keeping the public healthy, and that's what we're conscious. If you look in our trailer, it's spick and span. The stainless steel is wiped down. Every time we finish cooking, we wipe everything down. We pull everything out. We get all the grease out of there. We clean the refrigerators. We sanitize. We don't want nobody getting sick. If you look at our window right now, we got when the health department came out, they gave us a 100
Hey.
on our trailer from the inspection.
How you doing?
Yeah.
Hey, nice to meet you.
And this is our menu that we have. It's quite a simple menu. Our price points are so affordable. Taco for $5, veggie tacos. We got nachos, grande nachos. We do a taco burger. Everything you want on a taco on a burger. Taco burger. Yep. So, and people love us, man. They love what we do. They love what we got. We just stick with the tacos. We're not gonna go with all these different, hey, we got hamburgers, we got this, we do brisket, we don't do ground turkey or ground beef tacos, fried simply with all natural ingredients, real cheese. We cut our lettuce up fresh, tomatoes every day. We make our own hot sauce, we make our own salsa. We do it all. Yes, sir. I really appreciate you coming by.